How to add QR code in Wix website. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. Today we're going to learn how to add the QR code into your Wix website, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically what we're going to need first of all is have our account on Wix and be here into the editor in order to add the QR code, and also open this new page qrcodegenerator.com, because here basically what we need is to get our website URL. I'm gonna suppose it's this one. Obviously this is not my URL website, and this is going to create a QR code. Okay, so here I have different options in order to have the text on top, or like this, for instance. Let me check if okay, I guess this is a pro. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have just this one by now. You can change the shape and color, and also if you want the logo in the middle of it, or also in this format. Okay, you can upload your own logo in case you want it. Once you have done that, you must make click here in this icon. This is the HTML code, and you must select all this, copy, and now go back into your Wix website editor. So here you must select the site that you want to embed your code. I'm going to select all the bottom of my page, and on my left menu have these options in add elements. I'm gonna look for embed code, and here embed HTML. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna paste my code to update, and I'm gonna have my QR code. Okay, look at it, it has been updated. So I have my QR code, and you can move it and paste it wherever you need. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can add a QR code in Wix website. Thanks for watching.